No, come closer. Come closer. Can you see any fallout? This is a little secret I like to do, so shh, don't tell anyone. Okay, you want to learn how to blend eyeshadow? Then you came to the right video. Hey guys, my name is Matilda and I'm going to be showing you guys how to blend your eyeshadow flawlessly and also how to blend your eyeshadow with glitter without any fallout at all. And the icing of the cake is that you don't even need to know how to cut your crease. This eyeshadow was done without cutting your crease, and I'm going to be showing you guys the simplest technique to make sure that your eyeshadow is completely pigmented and blend flawlessly. So if that sounds like something you might really want to watch, want to learn it, then keep on watching. The first thing I like to do when it comes to eyeshadow is apply my concealer or primer. For today, I'm going to be using an LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm going to be using that to prep my lid. What is the point of this concealer? This is going to make your eyeshadow really pigmented and also blend really flawlessly. So I'm just going to be applying that all over my eyes. Now the concealer is on my eyes, I'm going to go straight into the eyeshadow because I want it to be really pigmented. If I was trying to do a natural look with neutral colors, I would set the concealer. But because this is going to be all about pigment and a flawless blend, I am going to apply the eyeshadow straight up. If I want my eyeshadow to be really pigmented, I always like to start out with the darkest shade. So for this eye look, the darkest shade here is the black. So I'm going to be going into my Mood Beauty palette and I'm going to be going into this black shade right here. This shade is really pigmented and really black. I'm going to be pressing it into my crease. I know that this is black, so you might be scared to apply black, but don't be scared. Just use a really tiny brush. Using a tiny brush is going to make the black just apply where you want it to be. If you start using a very fluffy brush like this, your black is going to go everywhere. And you know black, when black wants to do some crazy shit, it's gonna do that. So I'm using a really tight brush to apply this shade really tight into my eyes. I'm applying that at the outer corners. I don't want it to go too far. I have applied the black where I want it to be. I'm going to go into a slightly feathered brush. As you can see, there's no product on this brush, so I'm just going to try to blend out the black a little bit. So this is what I'm doing. I'm using this brush and I'm just moving it like this, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I'm not going too far. I'm just moving it really slightly, just trying to feather out that harsh line. I think this black is blended enough. Now I'm going to go into this purple shade right here. So I'm just going to be applying this purple shade at the outer corners of the black I added. So I'm just pressing it first so we can get maximum pigmentation before I blend. So I like to press it in because we're trying to get as much pigmentation as we can. So I'm just pressing it first before I proceed to blend. So this is the brush I am using, the same brush I used to blend out the black, but I cleaned the black from the brush. It might look really harsh at first. You might think that this is not gonna work, but you just need to trust the process, you know. Now the purple shade is added. I'm going to use that same brush and slightly blend it out. I'm going to go into this shade right here and I'm going to blend out the edges once again. So you see, I am slightly building the eyeshadow from darkest to lightest. So the black was the darkest, the purple was second to darkest, and now this is the lightest. So I'm just going to press it at the edge of the purple shade. So I'm just applying that in circular motions. I'm going to be using this shade right here. This is the lightest shade I'm going to be applying on this eye. So you guessed it, I'm going to be applying it outside the last shade I just applied. So I'm going to be putting this on my brow bone. So as you can see, there's still some lines of demarcations on the eyeshadow, and we don't want that. So I'm going to use this plain fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend everything together. Just mesh it all. Circular motion, trying to blend everything in. This is a little secret I like to do, so shh. Don't tell anyone. As you can see, there's kind of a disconnect between the black and the purple shade. They don't really blend together the way I would like it to blend. So I'm going to mix the purple shade and the black shade with my brush, this small fluffy brush. I'm just going to mix it together till we get a color that is a good mix. So after mixing it up, I'm going to go and blend it at the line between the black and the purple shade. I'm going to go back into this shade right here and mesh everything together. Okay, for this eyeshadow, I feel like I always do cut crease every single time. So today, I am not going to do a cut crease. I'm just going to apply the lid shade just like that. So if you guys would actually want to learn how to do a cut crease, I'm going to leave a link up here, a card, which you can click to watch how to do cut crease, halo cut crease, full cut crease, any type of cut crease you need. The video is up here. So if you're still here, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Like, you're watching to this point and you're not subscribed, like, why are you not? Why? I'm judging you if you are still watching to this point and you're not subscribed. I am not yet an expert when it comes to applying glitters, so I'm not going to go in depth on how to apply glitter. But if you guys want a separate video dedicated to glitter application, I am going to do that for you guys. But for today, it's all about the eyeshadow. So if you want to apply glitter, this is just an extra tip. If you want to apply glitter, don't just apply it on your bare eyes. You need to apply it on top of eyeshadow. So that is what I'm going to be doing today, because I'm going to be doing a glitter eye, but I'm not just going to be applying the glitter just like that. I'm going to apply an eyeshadow as the base for the glitter, because if you apply glitter on bare eyes like this, the color here, this color right here, is going to come out from the glitter. But if you want to do a red glitter and you apply red eyeshadow before you apply the red glitter, it's just going to look really good. But if you just apply the red just like that, the red glitter just like that, it's not going to work. I'm going to be using this shade right here, and also this blue shade, this blue shimmer shade, and I'm going to be applying that on my lid. So when it comes to shimmer shade, you need to dust off the excess. If you guys noticed, look at my eyes. No, come closer. Come closer. Can you see any fallout? Can you see any fallout? Just look. Come close. There is no fallout. I have not dusted my face since I started this look. There is no fallout. And why is that? There is no fallout because of how I applied the eyeshadow. I used a tight brush and I dusted the excess eyeshadow. I dusted it out and I applied it. I packed it on instead of just rubbing it all over. So if you guys don't want fallout, you do your foundation before your eyeshadow. I didn't do foundation right now, but if you do your foundation before your eyeshadow, then this technique will be really beneficial for you, because there will be no fallout for you to take. So for shimmers, I can't really guarantee that there will be no fallout. So when I apply the glitter, I like to dust off the excess fallout. I'm just going to press it. Oh shit, I Forgot what I wanted to do. Why did you guys tell me I wanted to add blue? I forgot. I wanted to put blue in the middle. I'm still gonna do that. So we're going to be pressing the eyeshadow on here. So I'm not doing a cut crease today. This is for my girlies that don't even like to do cut crease. So it's going to be really beneficial for you. As you can see, as I'm applying the shimmer shade, I'm using the shimmer to kind of map out the shape I want it to be. I'm not going to use concealer to cut it, so why don't I use the shimmer to just arrange the eyeshadow. So I'm just going following my eye shape. You see the eye socket going like this. See, press it, press your eye. This is where you should put your eyeshadow. This whole here, this is where the lid shade should be. The shimmer shade, this is where it should be. So just press your eyeshadow. You see that socket. This socket is where you should apply your eyeshadow. Now the shimmer shade is applied. I'm gonna go to the blue shade and press. Dust off. See, I'm just tapping. Y'all should look good. There's not even fallout. If you actually dust off your eyeshadow, you won't even have fallout. I'm just tapping, tapping, tapping. I'm tapping it into the black shade. Ooh, so look, come close. There's a disconnect between the white shade and the blue shade. What are we going to do about it? We don't want lines in this eyeshadow. We do not want lines. So what are we going to do? I'm going to use a clean brush and fade the white into the blue. So if there's anything you learn from this whole tutorial is if you have lines, use a clean brush and blend the two shades together, or use a transition shade. So if you want to blend something like yellow and blue, you might want to put a green in between the yellow and blue so it can have a kind of transition. Get me? So let's just blend this together. I'm going to go into this glittery eye quad from Pixie Beauty, and I'm going to be using this white shade and this blue shade as my glitter. So you guessed it, I'm going to be applying the white on the white and the blue on the blue. Simple ABC. Glitter time. This is the glitter glue I'm using. This is from Classic. I put the glitter glue somewhere. Okay, I'm going to use a flat brush and mix the glitter glue with the glitter. So starting out with the white here, this is the glitter. So it's just, I'm just trying to make it a concoction going between the glitter glue and the glitter. So we have something like this. So I'm just going to be pressing it on. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna be doing the same for the blue, mixing the glitter glue with the glitter. These are pressed glitters, so you don't really need glitter for it to work. They are pressed glitter, so if you use your hand and press it on, it's going to stick on, but I'm using glitter glue so it will last a lot longer. So I went on to apply liquid liner. If you guys would like to see a dedicated liner tutorial for hooded eyes, then let me know. I'm going to do that for you. So I am done with the eyeshadow, so I'm going to go in with my lashes. This is from Luxielash. You guys, I have used the hell out of these lashes and they still look really good, so that's a plus. Just look, I've used it so much. So I'm going to be applying these lashes on my eyes and I'll be right back, and I'll also do the foundation and everything off camera. You guys should please let me know what videos you would want me to create. Leave it in the comment section. If you're enjoying this video so far, thank you. Comment a pink if you guys are still here. Pink, pink, pink. So just leave a comment called pink. It's just gonna be a secret between the both of us. You stayed, so Thank you. And this is the completed look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I would really love it if you guys subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any other questions, you still have something you want to ask that you're not really clear on, leave it in the comment section. I'm going to answer every single question from you guys. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, because I'm on YouTube once a week, so you want to see me Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay, you're gonna see me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, all Mathildaduku. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, so I'm gonna leave you guys now, but you have to still watch other videos if you want to be a pro at makeup. So I'm gonna leave some videos here so you can watch it. So no, you're not gonna be left behind. If you want to go out, nobody needs to do your makeup for you. You do your makeup yourself. You don't need to pay money. Just learn something from one of my videos. You're gonna learn a lot.